you're fast.
Let's bully that MR3. Come on, I gotta catch up to that guy.
You got it, you got it.
Come on!
You got it!
Come on!
Dude! Holy fuck! Does he even see you?
Yeah, he did. No, not that way! Ah! Let's see if we can hit 100. No. We'll do one more and then I'll exit.
Alright.
So I can give Tommy or whatever.
Alright.
I can't believe we passed the MR2.
Holy fuck, dude, you're gnarly. And the GS350?
Oh, it's Tommy. It's Tommy.
Is it?
Yeah, it is. Maybe I'll catch up to him, but he's faster. Come on! Oh, there's a drone, I hear it.
Oh, yeah, dude, that's tight.
Come on, grip!
Your tires, dude, they're done.
It just needs tires. Maybe some springs.
Literally. Oh!
Come on.
Damn, dude. Oh, that was crazy. Whoa.
100, come on, 100, 100, 100. Come on. Nope.
Did you get it?
No, like right below 100. Oh.
It's because I'm in here. I'm too fat. I'm sorry.
No, you're good.
Damn, dude. You're crazy.